Hi guys, today we are going to make tomato rice, and today's tomato rice is made with chicken. The basic thumb rule for tomato rice is for every 1 cup of rice you will take 2.5 tomatoes. So I'm making it for 2 cups, so we are doing 5 tomatoes, and this is the second cup of rice. We will soak this rice for 20 minutes. In the meantime, this is ginger, garlic and green chili. We are going to put it in the chopper. These are 5 tomatoes. I will be doing a rough puree kind of a or fine chop, and this is the tomatoes. These are the basic ingredients. We will come back when we proceed. Okay, now some more ingredients I have to show. We will do it in the pressure cooker, and we will be adding ghee and oil, a combination of ghee and oil, 2 big spoon of each ghee and oil. For the seasoning tadka, we need cloves, cinnamon, 3 cardamom green, bay leaf and cumin seeds. Then we are going to add the ginger garlic paste, green chili ginger garlic paste, onion. So we will proceed with adding the ghee and oil in the pressure cooker. The ghee and oil is getting hot. I'm going to add half spoon of cumin, we will keep the flame to medium. Then I'm going to add, remember to remove the 3 cardamoms that we have put, so always count the cardamom and put. There goes all your 3 whole spices. The 4th one is the bay leaf. Once give it half a minute and then add the green chili, ginger and garlic paste. You can do this in that small chopper that you have. Give this a good mix. After a minute, we are going to add these onions. Now we are going to saute these onions till they become pink or translucent. We will add salt so that the process is done faster. You will add salt to taste depending on how much rice and what quantity you are making. I am doing 2 cups with 5 tomatoes and chicken. If you are doing without the chicken, please add some green peas so that it looks nice and colorful. The onions look good. Now I am going to add the tomatoes. These are 5 tomatoes, roughly chopped and roughly pureed. Mix it is. Give it a good mix. Here the tomatoes should be mixed well and should cook well. So just give it about a couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, we will be adding turmeric and red chili powder. Again, a thumb rule, every 1 cup will get a 1 heap spoonful of chili powder. So I'm going to add 2 spoons of chili powder, 1, and this is the second one, and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric gives a good color to your rice. Give this a good mix. Now at this point we are going to add the chicken. If you are not doing it with chicken, at this point you can add the required water as per the measurement. So for 2 cups of rice, when you are making tomato rice, you can see there is so much of this liquid here. This also helps in cooking. So we are going to put 1 cup rice, 1 cup water, because this is already lot of moisture here, lot of water here in form of gravy. This itself will help in cooking your rice. So we are going to put only 2 cups of water for 2 cups of rice. But since we are doing chicken tomato rice, we will add chicken now, cook for 2 to 3 minutes, then add water, bring it to boil, and then put rice. I have kept the rice in this sieve so that all the excess water is drained. I'm going to add the chicken. We will let the chicken cook for a couple of minutes. We will simmer the flame and roughly cover and let the chicken cook for 2 to 3 minutes. It's almost 2 to 3 minutes. I understand, I have been told, since I don't know and I have never cooked chicken, that if the chicken is looking little white, it's getting cooked. So now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Once that water comes to boil, we will add the rice. Now I'm going to put 2 cups of water. And 2 cups of water. I had mentioned we have put 3 cardamoms. Preferably remove it, otherwise when you will eat into it, you will not enjoy. Two. And 3. These are the 3 cardamoms I have removed. So now this will come to a boil. The heat is high. I'm going to roughly crush the mint. Mint is optional, but it tastes good if you have mint. You can add mint. And my homemade garam masala, little bit. This is the garam masala, and 1 spoon of kasuri methi. Give it a good mix. And now we will add this rice, which is totally dry. All the water is drained. After you have added the rice, don't mix too much. The grain will tend to break. Just level it out. And we will close the cooker and put it on medium to low heat for 7 to 8 minutes. In that 7 to 8 minutes, 7 to 8 minutes on a medium to low heat. But if you get 1 whistle, then reduce the temperature to low for 3 minutes. So there you go. We are going to put the lid and bring the temperature to between medium and low.
Wait, what did you push it? Mom, can you please give me some?
The tomato rice, chicken tomato rice is ready. Don't be in a hurry to mix it. otherwise it will become like a khichdi. So just give it some time, keep it open, and then we will flip it so that it looks good. Have fun. Have this with some yogurt dip.